Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye and today, as promised, I am going to show you guys a huge PR beauty/fashion haul. Before we get started, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. This is the box. Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. This box is so beautiful. Let me do a little swatch of this on my hand for you guys to see. Next product, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe. It says that you can use it as a sleeping mask or to use it as a wash-off mask. So this Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask, an exfoliation mask. I can't wait to try it. This next product is, it looks like an eyeshadow palette. Scarlet Dusk. There's the product. Very warm toned vampire sort of color. That's why it's called Scarlet Dusk. It goes on like a pink. I'm assuming this is not super vibrant and pigmented. Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. Right now I am wearing lash extension, so I'm probably not going to use this on my upper lashes. I might use some on my lower lashes and then on my eyebrows. Also, since we are talking about lash extension, I want to quickly give a shout out to my lash extension artist. Let me do a close-up. So this is my first refill with her. I had my first full set probably December 15th, and my first full set lasted me for about 3 or 4 weeks, and at the end of the 3 or 4 weeks I still had a lot of lashes left. I just got my refill last week. I wanted a more natural look this time because the first time I think she did extreme volume for me and it looks very, very beautiful, but I think in terms of going to work and every day, it kind of doesn't really go with the outfit and the work environment. So I wanted to try out the natural lashes this time. I'll have information about her in the description box below. Go check her out. If you mention my name, you will get $50 off your first full set. I want to reassure you guys that if you go to a good artist who put the extension on top of individual lash, your real lashes will not fall out. However, if you go to an artist who does not do a very careful or detailed job, he or she, no discrimination here, might put a cluster of lashes on your actual eyelid instead of on the eyelash. When your eyelashes grow out, it's gonna start itching your eyelid and then you're going to scrub and scratch it, and that's probably the cause for eyelash falling out. What else do I want to say? Oh, and then when you have lash extension, it is recommended to not wear any eye makeup. I do, but only on the bottom lashes. I don't wear anything on the upper lash line. Sometimes I do a little wing for my wing liner here, but I don't do any more waterline. Avoid getting water in that area just for the first day. But anytime after that, I don't have any problem with washing my hair or washing my face. I just don't actively rub my eye area because of the lashes, but you're not supposed to rub your eye area anyways because you want to avoid wrinkles because the eye area is very delicate. The last product is this Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. My only experience with Wander Beauty was in the past when they sent me their under eye mask. I didn't know they have makeup products as well. It looks like the NARS Bronzer and Blush Duo. Just put a little bit on my wrist here. very pigmented. I'll have the link to subscribe to BoxyCharm and for you to check out their products in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The next product, or the next company that sent me beauty products is this Korean or Asian beauty. The company's name is Beauty Beauty. You can subscribe and pick a beauty box which includes 6 full-sized items, or the second plan is a mask maven which includes 9 sheet masks. Their plan, I believe every box is about $25 per month, and if you use my code FAY25, you can take 25% off your monthly subscription box. The full-sized products that they sent me are Blueberry Vitalizing Water Jelly Mist, and then this moisture hand cream in lemon verbena, shower sponge steam cream. It has many benefits such as brightening, moisturizing, and anti-aging. It has shea butter oil and white flower complex. This product is also safe for lips and hair as well, so if you are in need of hydration in those areas, it's the perfect product. They also come with this double effect foot peeling mask. It looks kind of gross here. I tried it once and it actually peeled my feet like that. I don't recommend doing this feet mask if you have to wear sandals within the next couple days, because it does take a couple days to complete the peeling process. The last product that comes with this box is this body oil that I have been using, so give me a minute and I'll go get it. I'm back. Here's the body oil. I've been using it after shower. It smells very calming, very delicate scent. I also have 9 to 10 sheet masks. This one is a Shea Butter Pure Essence Mask Sheet. This is, I think this is a Korean, made in Korea mask. This next one is a hyaluronic acid moisturizing and moisture. I said it perfectly this time. This next one is a snail essence mask, a rose essence mask, a pomegranate vitality and firming essence mask. This one is an aqua moisture mask. The last beauty product that I want to show you guys is from Juno Co. It is a San Francisco based company, and the box comes with these very cute stickers. I'm going to bring this to work and use it as a reward for my little clients when they do a good job. I don't know if the boys would like these stickers. We'll see. I'm sure the girls will. So here's the box. Let's see what's inside. The box comes with 2 products. It comes with this microfiber velvet sponge, and then it comes with this Juno Primer Moonshine. It has avocado oil and hyaluronic acid. So if you don't know, hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurred acid within your skin, and it's the ingredient that binds moisture into your skin. I'm going to film a try-on haul for you guys next time, so stay tuned. Bye!